You only need 3 ingredients to make homemade caramel. It always tastes better at home. Good quality butter, sugar, and some cream. Now I'm going to make a salted caramel because let's face it, salted caramel is just so much better. And this is perfect to add to any type of dessert, even just drizzled on ice cream. So I'll need half a block of butter. You want to use good quality butter for this because it is all about the butter. This one is an Australian certified organic butter. It is delicious just spread over your toast, but great to cook with too. And I will be adding some more salt later on just to really accentuate the salt in the butter. So we're going to cut that in half and then into a pan. Now we just want to allow all of that butter to melt before we add the sugar. Now typically when you're making a caramel, you would melt the sugar first, then add the butter and the cream. This is a different way of doing it, and I kind of like it this way because you've got a bit more control if you add the butter first and then the sugar. It does mean you've got to work it a little bit longer, but the texture is just so good. So as this butter melts, it's almost there, I'm going to rein in my sugar, just some caster sugar. And now we need to whisk this until it completely transforms and changes colour. So it's going to go from this pale yellow colour to a golden colour. So this is going to take about 4 to 5 minutes, up to 10 minutes, depending on how deep and dark you want your caramel to be. Now have a look at this. It kind of looks like it's not working, it's splitting, but rest assured, constantly whisk it, it will come back together and it will go golden soon. Have a look at this. See how this is completely changed in colour. It's a deep, deep golden colour. That's what we're after. And use your nose for this. If it smells like toffee, it's ready to go. So I'm happy with that. It's time to add the cream. So a good splash of the cream. And again, at this stage, you want to keep whisking. It'll look like it's sort of bubbling up, splitting, not working, but rest assured it will. So I'm going to whisk this for a little longer, add some more cream, and keep whisking until we've got a fantastic creamy consistency. All right, we've got a beautiful caramel here and you can serve it, like I said, with anything, but I just think it's fantastic. Straight over cold ice cream. And don't forget that little extra pinch of salt. Buttery caramel, simply the best.